Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Kia Ceed 3. This car comes with the 1.6 diesel turbo engine and also includes the mild hybrid. The gearbox is automatic and this car returns up to 58 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 14, and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 18,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Metallic Lunar Silver, and as you can see looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, you see the interior is in great condition there. You've got the half leather seats and a armrest in the centre for the front passengers. Being the Ceed 3, the car comes with a good level of equipment, which includes the multimedia screen there in the centre, which is nice and large for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel. Automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you've then got your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. As you open the rear doors, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal if you're getting children in and out of car seats. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts too. And as we open the tailgate on the Estate, you've got the really good sized boot there, which goes back quite a way, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then below the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage space too, so really practical. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.